I'm going to be making another magnetic set, and today I'm going to be building a house. So put 2 on the bottom, 2 squares on the bottom, and then put squares all around the sides until you have it surrounded. Okay? And then grab 2 squares. I don't have 2 squares, so I'm just going to use the rectangles. And make the little tunnel thing. And then, dang it, I don't have enough. I have to use triangles to build the roof. Okay. I don't think I need you. I'm just going to kind of do this for the roof. Okay. And now I'm going to grab 2 more triangles. Try to fit them in. And now, almost there. 1 more in. There you go. Ooh, make sure this one doesn't break. Here is the house. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to the video. Bye!